Zdravo, kako ste? Da li ste spremni da vežbamo glagole na srpskom? I hope that you understood that I asked you how you were and if you were ready to practice action verbs in Serbian. So the idea of this exercise, you will see it's very interesting, is to practice perfective and imperfective aspect in Serbian. So let's start with the verbs first. You can listen and repeat after me. So we can say to kick, šutnuti loptu, šutnuti. So I will always say the perfective aspect first. Šutnuti, and then imperfective, šutirati. Šutnuti, šutirati. To jump, skočiti. To be jumping, skakati. Skočiti, skakati. To close, zatvoriti, zatvoriti. To be closing, zatvarati, zatvarati. To catch, uhvatiti, uhvatiti. To be catching, hvatati, hvatati. To open, otvoriti, otvoriti. To be opening, otvarati, otvarati. To push, gurnuti, gurnuti. To be pushing, gurati, gurati. To pull, povući, povući. To be pulling, povlačiti, povlačiti. To run, otrčati, otrčati. To be running, trčati, trčati. Okay, I hope you're now ready to do a fun exercise. Let's change okay, so this is the fun game. And the idea here is to make two stories. Let's start with the first one in the past tense with the perfective verbs. So the idea is just to match the verbs with the pictures, and then I'm going to tell the story. Okay, so let's start. And I will be using the verbs in the past perfective form. Znači, on je šutnuo loptu, šutnuo loptu. On je skočio, skočio na dasku. Lopta je odletela gore. On je potrčao, otrčao. On je povukao kutiju, povukao kutiju. On je otvorio vrata, otvorio vrata. On je gurnuo kutiju, on je gurnuo kutiju. Lopta je sletela dole. On je zatvorio vrata, zatvorio vrata i on je uhvatio loptu, uhvatio loptu. Okay, so now you try to tell the whole story while watching this. Let's check if we did it correctly. Ready, steady, go. 3, 4, sad. Bravo, super. Okay, now let's do it again, but this time let's use the imperfective form, or continuous in English, progressive, and let's use the past tense because it makes sense. Okay, hajmo ponovo. Znači, on je šutirao loptu, on je šutirao loptu, on je skakao, On je skakao, lopta je letela gore, on je trčao, on je vukao kutiju, on je otvarao vrata, lopta je išla tamo, on je gurao kutiju, lopta se spuštala dole, on je zatvarao vrata i on je hvatao loptu. Sada vi pokušajte sami. Now you try to do the same. So as the story goes, or you're telling the whole story, and later on you can send me your vocabulary to hear it, okay? Bravo! Jedva čekam da mi pošaljete vašu priču.